Hi guys, welcome back. This is Turning Back the Clock. Okay guys, welcome back. So today's video is actually a follow-up video to my last one, which was an archery trick shot where I shot an arrow through a golf ball from 12.5 meters. So if you haven't seen that, I will put a link at the end of this video for you to click so you can go back and watch that. But basically what's inspired today's video is one of my viewers, Jason, who contacted me via TikTok actually, because I've started now putting little mini videos on TikTok as well. Contacted me asking a few questions about the bow itself, and one of the questions was how was I actually aiming the bow, because he'd seen archery in the past and normally there's some sort of sight or some sort of aiming device attached to the bow which allows you to line up with the target and shoot the target. So this is the bow that I was using in the previous video. As you can see, there's no aiming devices at all on it, nothing to guide the arrows. Now this particular type of archery is called instinctive archery. Essentially, rather than closing one eye and aiming down the arrow towards your target, you use both eyes, stay focused on the target and use your peripheral vision to line up with the target to make the shot. I did initially try sort of a more scientific approach to it, trying to use a guide on the bow. It didn't work, I kept missing. I tried it without it and I got much better results. One thing I did find is that I'm able to focus directly on the target, aim a lot quicker and shoot a lot quicker as well. So the bow itself isn't anything too special. It's a standard bow that I bought from a local sporting goods shop. It was originally black. I've painted it to make it look a little bit better on camera. It's a 28-pound draw, which basically means that to pull the string back on this bow and draw the arrow back takes 28 pounds worth of force. Obviously the better the bow you have, and the more you practice, you can move up to stronger power bows, and that allows you to shoot targets at further distances with a lot more accuracy and power. But for a budget bow, I'm finding it very, very accurate, a lot better than the reviews that I was reading on it after I bought it, but yeah, seemed to manage okay. And as I say, shooting instinctively with it allows me really to focus on my technique, and I don't feel that the bow is holding me back with that at all. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to run you through a video which I've already filmed of me firing 12 arrows instinctively at an A4 piece of paper with a target printed on it, just so that you can see how I'm shooting instinctively with the bow. So as I said in the last video, guys, I've only actually been shooting for about 2 months, and in that 2 months I'm only really getting probably about 2 hours a week. So realistically I'm only looking at 16 hours worth of training with the bow to get to where I am now. So I think I'm doing quite well. I'll let you be the judge though. Obviously guys, if this is something you do want to try, you do have to consider the safety aspect first. I just want to reiterate that, as I did on the last video, because obviously at the end of the day, bow and arrows, they were designed as weapons, and they're not to be messed around with. Obviously if you hit someone with an arrow, it doesn't matter where you hit them, you're going to severely injure someone and possibly even kill them. So obviously do not mess around with these things. So guys, that's about all we've got time for today. I just want to say before I go, a big thank you to Jason, who messaged me on TikTok with the questions about today's video. I really appreciate it when people interact with the channel, leave comments, like the videos and such. I really appreciate it. At the minute I am actually self-isolating, so my next couple of videos will be filmed in and around the house, perhaps do some cooking videos, a bit of training outside as well, so obviously do return back to the channel to see those. And yeah, if you do want to interact with the channel, leave a comment, leave feedback, make any suggestions, you can contact me through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and TikTok. Either search Rich Lissaman or Turning Back the Clock, you should be able to find my account. And yeah, so before I go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications so you don't miss any more content, like the videos and leave a comment in the comments box below. Cheers, see you again.